Okay, so we had 24 hours of rain at least. As you can see, it's quite full here. It was a lot fuller. I just had to create a new drench. See, huge amounts of water. Even fuller than this. They were completely full. But I've just spent a little bit of time just redoing something, as one will see. I built a trench down here. Unfortunately, this is like the lower level here. And what I've done is I've got a pipe here, taking it out through, because the road is actually lower. And there's the pipe down there spilling out. So I built a trench all the way down, and this is, like I said before, the lower level, so it's just all coming down to this area and pumping straight out, which is quite good. So I'm gonna put a bit of a time lapse on it. I hope it pisses it down again, get it full this time. I'll put a time lapse on it.